Hey everybody, it's the 22nd of November, day before Thanksgiving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And looks like we've got our standard 12 here. Under the nest box is Uno Unice. They just came out for a second because I looked under there. They popped out. I gave them some of the morning glory and some mealworms. They came out and didn't get chased around, so I think that's a good sign. Very good. I'm hoping that they'll be able to come out and be part of the flock here real soon. We'll see how that goes. If they don't get accepted here real soon, I'll be probably moving them to another cage. I hope not to have to do that, but we'll do what we have to. Anyway, little birds are getting along right now. I'm not seeing much aggression. There's little puffy cheek girl. She needs some more apple cider vinegar water. But the rest of her feathers are looking pretty smooth. So I think she's on the mend. And anyway, wanted to say thanks everybody for watching. Thank you for all the likes and subscriptions. Appreciate it. Alright, well, got some things to do, so I'm going to say bye for now. Hope you're having a great day and have a great Thanksgiving. Thanks. Bye now.